Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing the BMW 1968 R69S with a sidecar, which is a 1/18 scale manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, in today's episode, I want to save you the trouble of running through the entire process of unboxing this beautiful diecast motorcycle. And so for a change, I went ahead and pulled up one of my all-exclusive 1/18 scale BMW licensed diecast motorcycle that is in fact one of the most popular models of its kind. So let's go ahead and take a look at this all-time classic replica. Now as we know what this amazing license model looks like, and with that out of the way, let's go ahead and look a bit further into this well-detailed 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle replica. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of the BMW R69S, and this motorcycle is an all-time classic with a sidecar which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weighs in at 209 grams. And this sidecar measures in at an additional 1.5 inches in width. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details and has pre-rolling wheels, excellent suspension and a lot more details, which makes it an amazing collectible. And just so you know, this sidecar can be detached by removing the screw if required. But I like to retain the original look, so I'm not going to tamper with this for sure. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's place this classic beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium classic model. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty on wheels in a 360-degree view. And while we take a look at this classic beauty, here are a few fun facts. The BMW R69S, R69US and R69 are motorcycles fitted with 594cc boxer twin engines that were manufactured by BMW in Munich, Germany from 1955 to 1969. 15,347 of these 594cc shaft drive or post twin motorcycles were built. The 35 HP R69 was produced from 1955 to 1960. The 42 HP R69S was produced from 1960 to 1969 and the 42 HP R69US was produced from 1968 to 1969. These models were designed as relatively high-powered, high-compression sports bike, although the Earles fork R69 and the R69S came with sidecar lugs installed on the frames. These lugs were deleted from the telescopic fork US models. The low compression 30 HP R62 produced from 1955 to 1960 was designed primarily for sidecar use, though it was popularly used as a solo bike along with the 30 HP R60 US, which was produced between 1968 and 1969. For further information on the BMW motorcycles, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, kindly do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.